Hi, good afternoon, everyone. The topic of this video is facial rejuvenation acupuncture, which is sometimes called cosmetic rejuvenation acupuncture. And the point of those type of treatments is anti-aging, of course. Um, so I wanted to talk about that a little bit today. Um, I recently had the opportunity to go for a spa facial, which I hadn't done in a really long time, probably way too long. So that was very special to me, and I was appreciative to have that experience. Um, but while I was there, I was just thinking about how great the acupuncture facial rejuvenation is because Um, I'm not only working on your face. While you're there, I'm working on your body as well. So we're activating acupuncture points in the body that can also help stimulate or activate like your face and your neck and your blood and your yin, which overall is going to help with anti-aging. So, excuse me for the sniffling. So while I was there, I mean, I was lying on the table and um, the esthetician was working on my face. And I was thinking like, oh, like my body could have acupuncture needles in it right now. I could kind of be getting like a two for one thing going on. So that's kind of what happens um, when I provide facial rejuvenation acupuncture. So during those treatments, well, I offer two different things, but the first one we'll talk about is a treatment that is lasts 75 to 90 minutes. And during that treatment, I will wash your face. Um, I will insert body needles. Um, and then I will insert the facial needles. And the facial needles are um, they're very small, and we also insert them very superficially because I'm trying to um, create, I guess you could say, a micro trauma um, in your skin so that your body stimulates collagen production to that area. Um, I guess because I just mentioned that, I will also say that acupuncture can treat other facial conditions such as Bell's palsy. And actually, I highly recommend acupuncture for Bell's palsy if you or someone you know has experienced that. And it's honestly better to come in like when you first get diagnosed. Excuse me. But the needling technique for those treatments might be different. I might go deeper into the face to try to activate the muscles more. Whereas in facial rejuvenation, I'm trying to activate your skin. I can look at your face. We can discuss certain areas that maybe you want to improve a little bit. One area, I kind of see it here on myself. Call this the angry 11s. Maybe you should be less angry. No. Um, but this is like an area we can target. Nasolabial groove, jawline. What's fun is we can take before and after pictures. So um, we can take before pictures, and then after you've completed a series of 10 treatments, we can take after pictures, and you will see a change. You will. You'll see your jawline a little more defined. You will see results. Um, After I take out the facial needles, I'll do some sort of treatment on your face. So it might be a face mask. It might be facial gua sha. That's kind of fun. Um, so it's kind of like a spa treatment, but it's also kind of like acupuncture. And then I'll finish the treatment by moisturizing your face, under eye serum, lip balm. So it is kind of like a spa experience, but with acupuncture too. And the usual course of those treatments is 2 treatments a week for 5 weeks, so 10 treatments. Um, Although sometimes people come in for facial rejuvenation just for a touch up, maybe, quarterly. once a season. Um, it's recommended that once you start the protocol, you repeat it once a year. Um, I had a Chinese professor when I was in acupuncture school, Dr. Yuan Wang, and she was like, I don't know that I'm going to make you look younger, but I'll keep your face looking the same, right? So we'll just, start now, keeping your face looking the same for the rest of your life. And I thought that was a cute, kind of funny way of saying it. Um, Other things I'll tell you in this video are after the age of 40 at home, you should be doing a face mask or a treatment once a week. I'm going to look at my notes really quick. There's a quote from Chinese medicine that's saying once you hit 40, you have the face you deserve. So you can take a few minutes thinking about that. Again, it's kind of funny, but have you held a lot of tension in your face? Have you had a lot of sun exposure? Have you, you know, um, nutritionally or dietarily had some issues that might affect how your face looks? Um, anyway, this is a fun topic for me. Oh, while you're here, I do some points in the neck too. So we'll do your face and your neck. Um, and another recommendation I have while I'm doing this video is that every time you moisturize your face, you moisturize your neck and you moisturize your chest too, because you don't want to have a young looking face and an old person chest. Um, so I'm gonna look at my notes one more time to see if there's anything else I wanted to talk about. Oh, there is one other technique or one other offering regarding to facial rejuvenation, which is acupoint injection. Um, I don't do Botox or things like that. I'm not a nurse practitioner. Acupoint injection is in my scope of practice in the state of Utah. I've taken several courses in it over the years. And so one thing that I offer is injections into acupoints in the face of there's an option. There's two different homeopathics from a company called Guna, Guna, and one is Guna Collagen, so it stimulates collagen, and one is called Made, just like Made, but it's kind of like an anti-aging homeopathic blend. So that's an option for the facial rejuvenation treatments too. So instead of putting all the acupuncture needles in your face, I inject those homeopathic products into a few areas of the face. Trying to think what else. During those protocols, I would say it's best if you can abstain from alcohol. I feel like you'll have better results. And smoking, that's kind of a big one. So um, maybe you come in for acupuncture to stop smoking and then we work on your face. I'm just being a little bit silly at this moment, but thank you for your time.